A very pleasant morning to all of you. This is Purnima. Today on this Auspicious Day, we get opportunity to present an individual presentation in front of my classmates and my mentors. So, with the beginning of my presentation topic is based on Harappan civilization. So, here are my content. Introduction, history, agriculture, important sites, society and livelihood, and after all conclusion. So first part is introduction. Indus Valley civilization are also known as Harappan civilization. It start flourishing river Indus at along 2600 BCE. The Harappa was one of the largest Bronze Age civilization in the world, and Harappa was one of the sites which was made by archaeologists after 1900 BCE. The most of the sites were abandoned due to some reasons. History. Indus Valley civilization are also known as Harappan civilization or culture. This civilization is dated between 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. The period of the civilization is broadly divided into three parts. Sorry. The early Harappan culture, the mature Harappan culture, or the later Harappan culture. So agriculture were the main occupations of Harappan peoples, and its prevalence of agriculture is indicated by find of grains. Archaeologists found grains such as wheat, barley, chickpea, sesame on the Harappan sites. So some of the important sites are Kalibangan, which was situated in Rajasthan, and Mohenjo-daro, which was situated in Pakistan, and the third one is Banavali, which was situated in Haryana, and the fourth one is Harappa, which was in Pakistan, and the fifth one is Balakota, which was also situated in Pakistan. So society and livelihood. There were two towns. One is lower town. This is residential area where common peoples are living, and second one is citadel where rich peoples are living. And the houses were made of grid system, and one of the main features of Harappan sites are well planned drainage system. And here is end of my presentation, and I will conclude. Peoples of Harappa were well civilized, and they were aware of their habitat and their occupation, and their main and they made houses with their proper drainage system, and their main occupation is farming, and also they are involved in craft activities. So thank you.
Okay, don't give me. Okay, Purnima, you tell me, as you have mentioned about some of the places of Harappa, like Banavali, Mohenjo-daro. So, you tell me, is there any place which are very near to the coastal areas during the Harappan civilization?
Mohenjo-daro.
Do you think Mohenjo-daro is situated at coastal place?
Sir, I don't know about this.
You don't know. Okay, what we can learn from the Indus Valley civilization?
That's that the people of Harappa were well civilized, and the main features of drainage system.
Drainage system, very good.
Which is totally different.
Correct. At that time.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. So tell me the religion of Indus Valley civilization.
So Hindu.
Hindu people used. Are you sure? What about the Pasupati sin?
Sir, I never heard that.
That means you you prepared half-heartedly. Pasupati seal, Bronze Age, figure, all are very important part of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, any clap for her.